Hello and welcome back to English Beginner's Guide. We are very happy you are here. Today we have a simple story for you. We will speak slowly. Listen carefully. This is a story about a man who learns to be brave. Brave means you are not afraid to try a new thing. Tell me, my friends, what do you like to do on the weekend? Think about this as you listen. Our story is about a man named Tom. Tom lives in a small apartment in a big city. Tom is 30 years old. He is a good man. Tom has a simple job. He works in a computer office. He sits at his desk all day. He looks at his computer. He is a very good worker. Tom likes quiet things. He likes to read books. He likes to watch movies. He does not like noisy places or big crowds. Tom lives near a big, beautiful park. Every day, Tom walks to the park at 6 o'clock. He eats his lunch there. He sees many people in the park. In the center of the park, there is a small pond. In the pond, people like to ride small boats. The boats are red and blue. They look very fun. Tom often sees a sign near the pond. The sign says, "Boat riding class for beginners. Start next Monday." Tom wants to try this. He thinks, I want to ride a boat. I want to be on the water. It looks peaceful. But Tom also has a worry. A worry is a bad thought in your head. Tom's worry is, I am not strong. I do not know how to steer the boat. Maybe I will fall in the water. Tom feels a little scared. Scared means afraid. He is afraid to try this new thing. One day, Tom is eating his lunch. He sees a little boy fall from a bicycle. The boy cries. His father comes and helps him stand up. The father says, "It is okay. You must try again. You must not stop." Tom listens to the father. He thinks about the word try. Tom decides, I will try. I will not let my worry stop me. Tom walks to the pond office. He speaks to the man at the desk. He says, I want to sign up for the boat class. The man smiles. He says, That is great, Tom. The class starts next Monday. Tom goes home. He feels a mix of happy and scared. Happy because he signed up. Scared because he must go next week. Monday comes. Tom goes to the park. He sees the small boat. He sees the teacher, a nice woman named Maria. There are 5 other students. Everyone is friendly. Maria tells them, Today we will learn simple rules. We will learn how to sit. We will learn how to use the small paddle. Tom gets into the boat. The boat moves a little. Tom feels nervous. Nervous is like being scared, but smaller. He holds the sides of the boat very tightly. Maria helps Tom. She says, "Look, Tom, the water is calm. You must be calm too." Tom listens to Maria. He takes a slow, deep breath. He tries to be calm. He holds the paddle. He pushes the water slowly. The boat moves forward. It is a slow movement, but it moves. Tom is doing it. Was it hard at first? Yes, it was hard. Tom made mistakes. He turned the boat the wrong way once, but Maria helped him fix it. Tom did not stop. He kept trying. He remembered the father in the park. You must not stop. After 1 hour, the class is over. Tom gets out of the boat. He feels happy and strong. He did it. He was brave. He looks at the boat. It is a small boat, but today, for Tom, it is a big success. Tom goes home. He is tired, but he is happy. He says, "I will go again next week." Tom learned that he can try new things and that he can be brave. Now, let us learn our important words again. These words are simple and they are good for you to know. The first word is brave. Brave means you are not afraid to do a new thing or a hard thing. Tom was brave to go on the boat. You can say, "I am brave when I speak English." The next word is try. Try means you make an effort to do something. Tom had to try to move the boat. You can say, "I must try my best at work." Try means you do the action. The third word is worry. A worry is a bad thought that makes you feel scared. Tom had a worry about falling in the water. You can say, "I have a worry about the test tomorrow." And the final word is help. Help means you give support to another person. Maria helped Tom with the boat. You can say, "Can you help me with this word, please?" Help is a very important word. So, my friends, remember Tom and his small red boat. Do not let your worries stop you. You must be brave. You must try. If you try, you will learn, and that is a very good thing. Thank you for listening to Daily English Upgrade. If you like this story and you like learning English, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will see you again soon for more simple stories. Goodbye for now.